Welcome everybody back to my channel, Planning and Budgeting Life. I'm going to get started with next week, and I'm going to again showcase the Pear papers stickers, which I'm loving. And again, everybody gets 15% discount, so check the information section below, and you will see that you guys will get a discount for a couple of months. But I'm enjoying these thoroughly, and I can't wait to get started with planning. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I can't believe it is the end of February. Can you guys believe that? Like, this was my last week's planner. Today I had the day off, and again, I haven't been using these, but this is the last week of February. Oh my God, I can't believe it. This year has been flying by. And I'm going to start off, and I'm still keeping it red because, like I said, mentioned last week, it is February, and I like keeping it in, this is the only time we can use like girly colors. I did kind of want to do a blackout when I saw some of them, but my thing is to use colors like this for this month, and I'm going to keep it this way. And I'm only going to plan for the first half of the week. God, but I just love how, how easy they are. They help, they peel up easy. They're cut so well. The paper is good quality. The color. I can't wait to show you March as well. And she has some good releases for April. And obviously I'm referring to the Pear paper, if you are not getting that. But I am enjoying her stickers. I'm going to try to only use her stickers this time around. That's all I want to use. So I use this up. I do have this washi, which kind of matches this one. And I might go with a thicker one down here. I saw somewhere they kind of put it up here. Maybe I'll go with this one. I don't know, there's so many to choose from. So you know what? And I'm going to use her weather stickers. I don't know. There should be enough. Yeah, she has enough. Our weather is pretty good this week again. I've been posting on Instagram, and I know Kumiko has been commenting, or someone's been commenting on the weather. Yes, we have wonderful weather in California, and it's going to be another wonderful week. So I do want to keep the top part open for my weather. So I am going to use, I'm going to use this, it's a little thick. I'm going to use these. I think they're different from last week, right? Yeah. So I'm going to stick with this one. And I don't know how, I know most of you know that I teach. I don't know if you guys know that some of us are heading back. Well, I know my son's school is heading back. I'm not. I can't find my ruler, so I'm going to use this one right here. And he'll be heading back in April, though. Not until, still not quite, but I know some are heading back after the holiday. We aren't, unfortunately. I doubt. From what I understood, I spoke to one of my friends who's a director over at the district office, and I was like, "Hey, my husband's school district is going back soon, and he's like, "Yeah, odds are we're not. They're more prepared than we are." I was like, "Ooh." I'm like, "Okay." So while my students and I were all planning on what we would do, unfortunately, it's not going to work out for us, and I'm really sad because I wanted to see my students. I kind of heard that I am guaranteed, not guaranteed, but odds are for me, because I have a single subject credential, that I will most likely go back. However, I mean, it's guaranteed sort of this year. But unfortunately, I'm not quite sure the following year. And I also heard that, well, I'm guaranteed, or it might be coming back this year, it might not be to the same school site. That was a bummer. I was like, what? No. So I was a little disappointed in that, but you know what? I'm like, hey, at least I'll have a job. That's all that matters, because that's kind of stressing me out, whether I'll have a job or not. But yeah, so I'm a little sad, but at the same time, and it's what's best for my family, I guess. I'm gonna put this week. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I'm gonna try to stick with that. Let me see if I can. My nails have been growing. I have weak nail beds, weak nails in general. But they do grow by the end of the week. They grow fast, but they're very weak, so they just break off. So far I'm liking this. Let's see if I can keep that going. And I'm going to use this. It is perfect. I like that. I don't really have a lot of to-dos with different colors. I'm just going to stick to the same color pattern. There, that's good. Oh, there are two of these. Still kind of hesitant as to what I'm going to do at the bottom. I'm going to stick with that. So let me go to the weather. And every day is going to be a sunny, sunny day. I don't mean to brag, but yes, it's going to be sunny. Tomorrow is going to be 78, 51, 79, 57, no, 40, 47, whoops, 75, and I did it too close to this side. That's okay. And every day just very sunny this week. And my daughter has practice tonight. Tomorrow I will be budgeting. Tomorrow is it's just weird. I told you guys before, we get paid direct deposit 2 days ahead. So my husband gets paid on the 25th. So his paycheck will come in that day. I get paid usually at the end of the month, but it's Friday's the 26th, so I'll get paid the day after. You know, I saw some payday ones. So I will be budget time. Here's a bigger one. I will be working on that on Wednesday. And let's see. So I do, and again, I'm going to do everything in red because it's red. You know, and I'm trying to enjoy my students as much as possible. I feel so bad that we won't be able to go back in person. Like, I know you're like, eh, but it's not your kids. I do have my kids, yes, but my students are just, you know, they're my students. They're like my kids. So I had seen people, like I saw yesterday. Oh, I don't work today because tomorrow's a day off, sorry. This day I work till about 2 because I plan and grade. I do this thing with my study skills kids. It's like a weird class, kind of for low students. And I know what I'm gonna do because I messed up. So planner time because I'm planning. And I did work today. I mean, I did technically work, so I guess should have left it. I ended up grading today and finishing my planning. But I'll do it this way because I didn't technically work. I guess I should have left it all the way to the bottom. I'll leave it like that. And I will put me time. I do want me time today. It's too long, but it's okay. I did clean this morning and yesterday. Tonight my daughter has practice, so I have to put that, and her practice is from 6:30 to 8:30. Volleyball. I thought she had a tournament this day, but it was the wrong information. It's this weekend. Obviously I don't do much over here. Let me see, dinner we will have early tomorrow. And then this weekend I was just so lazy because it is a 3-day weekend. I was up late watching, we did our family fun night on Saturday, and I stayed up late watching Xana do like 80s movies, just 80s movies. And my husband's like, hey, how can you like this? I'm like, hey. And then I found Sgt. Pepper's on me and I'm like, oh, but then I had to pay for it. I'm like, okay, I like it, but not that much. And I have not been reading much. And mostly I don't read that much because, or you know, when I'm off. Or when I'm working, I'm sorry. Because then I won't do anything. I get lazy and all I want to do is read. There we go. I have to make some volleyball stickers. That's about, see, my weeks are just the same all the time. What should I put? I want to put something for that day, so I am going to add a couple of stickers that aren't part of this. Mostly my Carpe Diem, which I love. So as I'm planning and working, I'm like, where are my stickers? I forgot about this whole binder of stickers that I have here. But again, I wanted to stick to the Pear this week because yes. I used to answer my daughter when she was little. She's like, Mommy, why? Mom, because yes. I'm just going to add this P.S. I love you here. I just don't like it looking blank there. And then I'm going to add this little heart right here. Down at the bottom. I think you guys know how I feel. I'm not complaining. I love this, my planner. I'm never going to diss it, but I tend to sometimes, and I shouldn't because I love this planner. I would recommend this planner to anyone, and I'm sure with Kumiko and the Budget Mom, I'm sure it's only going to get better with time. So this week, which I need to do Arbonne order. I don't sell Arbonne. I buy it for myself. I do the I am one of the whatever, the main people, whatever, but I do not sell it at all. I just buy, I do it for the discount. Gluten-free shopping. What else do I need to do? And an Amazon order. Call my dad. That should have been at the top. Sign up for test. And I think that's all I have to do this week. I think that's it. So that's, well, for the beginning of the week. So this is how my week is going to look this week. I just love it. And I'm sure the next week, you know, I'm going to plan on Wednesday and put up a video and show you the rest of the week. I've been like totally over planning, going sticker crazy. I created these stickers for my planner, my teacher planner. I did some of these, but yeah. So this is it. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Please subscribe, hit the like button if you like it. And thank you for all the new subscribers, and we're almost at 200, so I'm hoping to do a giveaway soon. All right, thank you, and enjoy your week, and I will see you this week for not only a budget check-in, but also the rest of the week for this. All right, thank you.